Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your iPhone is signed into the same Apple ID as the AirPods Pro and Bluetooth is on. Once done, open the Find My app and tap Devices, then select your AirPods Pro. This initiates the location process. If only one earbud is missing, make sure to choose that specific AirPod in the list. This narrows signal searches and shows the last known location and timestamp so you know where to focus first. Once you're at the general area, enable precision finding if your device supports it. This gives directional cues and a distance estimate so you can narrow down to a few feet. If location isn't exact, use play sound. Start with short bursts and raise volume while listening for the chirp, which helps detect hiding places or vibrations. Make sure to check the last scene map and consider marking the AirPod as lost to receive alerts if someone else comes into range. You finish by using sound and distance together while physically checking likely spots. Cushions, pockets, bags under seats, and small crevices. Move slowly and listen for any faint chirps. If the AirPod shows offline, make sure your iPhone's Bluetooth is active and the case battery isn't depleted, then revisit the last seen location. Sometimes signal returns at the same time or position. If nothing works, try cleaning contacts, check the serial, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.